Right, so we're going to be working on the front cover, and I have prepped my pieces. So I have got a piece of black that is 4 by 6 inches. I've got a piece of vanilla that's 4.5 by 5.5 inches, and I've got 2 of my Polaroids. So what I thought of doing was adding a black piece, and I'm thinking at a later stage I'm going to come in with a bit of gold, just to give it a bit of character and to give it a bit of definition. I am going to just stick this one down, and I'm using a 1/2 inch tape here. And I'm kind of positioning it in between, just making sure. I'm positioning it between these elements that are on the page already, so I don't hide them. I am going to take this piece here, and I'm going to stick it down only there and there so that these can tuck. Okay, so I'm going to stick this piece, and again I'm just going to pull a bit of my zip back, and then I'm going to position it. Happy with that. So I've got space for a photo there, and then I've also got space to have a couple of little Polaroids sticking out the side. I will come back and we'll add decorations at a later stage. So that's the front inner cover.